Morning, everyone. We are going to be continuing our shape work, and today we are identifying sides. So we did a little bit of that yesterday, didn't we, where we were talking about how many sides each shape has, and we're going to be redoing it. Now, Elliot's put these 5 shapes into 2 groups. He's got these ones here and these ones here. What I want you to do is pause the video and see if you can remember the names of these shapes. And if you can figure out what these all have and what these all have, that's a bit of a difficult question. But remember, what we're doing today is identifying sides. So talk about each shape and how many sides it has. Pause here. Okay, right. We're going to work together to count the sides, because remember, our lesson's about sides. So we've got 1, 2, 3 sides, and it is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, and it's a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, and it's a triangle. Now, all these triangles look completely different, but they all have 3 sides, so they've got to be triangles. Now, this shape is a rectangle. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And this one's a square, because remember, it's got all equal sides. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This one's got 4 and this one's got 4. And these all have 3. And so he separates them into groups. So all the triangles have 3 sides, and the rectangle and the square have 4 sides. Okay. So look, he's doing what we did. 1, 2, 3. That has 3 sides, that has 3 sides, 4 sides, and this rectangle has 4 sides. Okay. How many sides does each shape have? Now, first we need to figure out what that's called. So how many sides does it have first? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. They're all the same length, so it's got to be a square. I'm going to have to, I don't think I can do this anymore, so I'm just going to have to say it. Okay, this one, it's got 4 sides again, but it's got 2 long ones and 2 short ones, so it is a rectangle. Let's check this one. It's got 4 sides. See them here, but it's got 2 short ones and 2 long ones, so it's got to be a rectangle. Here it's got 1, 2, 3 sides, so it's got to be a triangle. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides, and it is a triangle again. And again, 1, 2, 3 sides, and it's a triangle. Let me type these words out so we can see how they're spelled. So you've got squa, and then the air sound for some reason is a. Rectangle, rectangle. Oh, move that out a little bit. There you go. And then we had a triangle, triangle. So that's how we spell those 3 shapes as well. Let's have another look. So now, how many sides does this shape have? So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides again, but this is a bit of a funny shape. Does anybody know what this funny shape is called? Okay, so all shapes that have 4 sides are called a quadrilateral. Let me spell that for you. Quadrilateral. Okay, because a quad bike has 4 tires. It has 4 wheels. So that's how I remember it, a quadrilateral. So if you're in doubt and you find that it's got 4 sides, you can just say quadrilateral. But actually, these quadrilaterals have fancy names. So let me just move things around. Okay. Now this quadrilateral, because it's got 4 sides, is called a trapezium. Okay. Because it's got the 2, like a short side, a long side, and then these 2 other sides like that. Okay, this one here, again, it has 4 sides. Now let's check my spelling of this. It's called a parallelogram. Parallelogram. That's a very long word. But like I said, you can just say quadrilateral and you're fine. Here again, it's your parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, and this is actually your trapezium again, but a different way. So it's got 4 sides and 4 sides. And again, you can see the trapezium there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's just turned around. So look, that one's just turned around. That one's just squashed and moved a little bit. And that one's flipped over, isn't it? Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. What do we hold with our 5 fingers? A pen. So it's a pentagon. Let me show you how to spell it. Pentagon. Pentagon. Okay, we are going to be working on pages 43 and 44 of worksheet 1. Now I'm going to quickly show it you. So you got to put the name of the shape in there and tell me how many sides. Remember, if in doubt, a 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. Okay, and then you don't have to name these ones, you just have to tell me how many sides they all have. If you can name them at the side, I'll be very, very impressed. We'll have to see. Right, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck.